How to create a new Gmail account. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How long have you been using Hotmail or Outlook? Are you tired of the limitations of these accounts? And do you need more functionality from your email client? Gmail has been around since 2004, but not everyone has made the move yet. People don't like change, but there are many reasons you should consider moving to Gmail. It's no wonder 1.5 million users have chosen to use Gmail as their primary email client. Let's discuss its benefits. First of all, it's totally free. It has excellent spam filter and keeps your inbox cleaner than any other email client. You can change your theme and the way your inbox works. Countless plugins and extensions are available and free to use. These can help you to customize your workflow and how you use email. Finally, it's fully reliable. Now we are moving how to set up your Gmail account. For this purpose, let's move to my computer screen. Here we will follow some steps. Step 1. First thing first, you need to head over to gmail.com. Step 2. Click on the button that says create account. Step 3. After that, a sign up form will appear. You will need to fill all the details it requests. For example, first name, last name, a new username, and a new password. Step 4. Next, you will be asked to enter a phone number to verify your account. This is because Gmail uses a two-step verification process to boost security. Step 5. You should now receive a text message with a verification code from Google. Step 6. Once you have verified your account, you will see a form that asks for some personal information. This includes a recovery email, your birthday, and your gender. Step 7. You need to accept Google's terms of services and their privacy policy. It's highly recommended that you review both of these in details before clicking I agree. And congratulations! Now you have your Gmail account.